Hi, it's Melissa helping you get the most out of your membership each week with My Membership Minute. This Saturday coming up, we have our live yin yoga workshop. It's a 2-hour spleen and pancreas, meridian, and earth element class. I may throw in a long shavasana with some yoga nidra, sleep yoga at the end. We'll see how the class goes. So in this 2-hour live indulgence workshop, we're going to focus on the spleen meridian and the earth meridian, the earth element. So let me show you where you can find out about that. There's a direct link in the show notes here. If you scroll down to meetups, you click on YinDulgence here, and then you can see there's etiquette for joining us, and then here are the links to the 2-hour live indulgence workshops. They are on the third Sunday of every month. Sorry, I need to change that here. So you just click here and that'll help you to join us. So the spleen is the organ that helps us digest our food and distribute the nutrients appropriate. It helps to give us sustenance to what we do in the world. Psychologically, they allow us to digest and assimilate our experience and turn them into usable ideas and creations. So why is this important for us right now? Well, right now all over the world, we're in transitional seasons. We're at the end of seasons. In the northern hemisphere, we're at the end of spring going into summer. In the southern hemisphere, we're at the end of autumn going into winter. And so this tends to stir up a lot for us. It tends to be sort of aggravating, anxiety producing, and our outer world is a mirror for our inner world, and just in the same way as the earth is returning to its center and preparing for transformation, this happens at the end of every season. We also are being called back to our center to ripen our life force, nurture our energy in the same way a mother would care for her child. So if that sounds like something that would be helpful for you right now, then, and I know based on a meeting with many of you in the live class yesterday, the live meditation class yesterday, it does sound like that's where most people's energy is at right now, then I would encourage you to attend this class on Sunday, May 20th. There are 2 times, 9:30 to 11:30 a.m. Pacific time, and also from 4 to 6 p.m. Pacific time. Check your time zones, and I would love to see you there. Namaste.